Good evening. As US's businesses continue to embrace digital transformation, the need for more effective communication tools has become increasingly evident. Recognizing this, BC Corp is set to launch Lotus Chat for Work, a revolutionary chat platform designed specifically for the workplace. This tool aims to address the inefficiencies of current messaging apps that often fail to cater to the unique needs of Vietnamese businesses. A comprehensive platform for business collaboration. Unlike general-purpose messaging apps, Lotus Chat for Work is positioned as a fully integrated collaboration platform for businesses. It's designed not only for messaging and group chats, but also incorporates artificial intelligence to suggest content, summarize conversations, and analyze team performance, features typically found in high-end, foreign SaaS tools. The platform's capabilities extend to accommodating thousands of members within a single team, making it ideal for large corporations and multi-branch systems. Lotus Chat for Work integrates seamlessly with business tools like BizFly Sale and BizFly Marketing, connecting everything from internal communications to sales management and customer service. This comprehensive integration is something that very few chat platforms in Vietnam can currently provide. AI-powered to boost productivity. One of the standout features of Lotus Chat for Work is its use of AI platform, developed locally in Vietnam. This allows businesses to boost productivity, reduce labor costs, and improve KPIs and sales. By combining communication and operational management in one platform, businesses can streamline their workflows and improve efficiency. Direct interaction with BC Corp's CEO, Nguyen The Tan. The launch event, Get Sync Lotus for Work, will take place online on June 4, 2025, at 1000 a.m. Vietnam time and will be streamed live on fanpage Cafe F and YouTube. Lotus Chat. This event isn't just a product showcase, but an opportunity for the community to interact directly with BC Corp's CEO, Nguyen The Tan. Mr. Tan will discuss the development of Lotus Chat for Work, explain how it helps businesses save costs, optimize personnel, and improve KPIs through cutting-edge AI technology. There will also be an open discussion where participants can ask questions, share feedback, and explore how Lotus Chat can be implemented within their own companies. A platform built for business needs. This launch is not just about providing a communication tool, but offering a robust solution that can drive growth for businesses in Vietnam. As Lotus Chat for Work is designed with flexibility and scalability in mind, it will cater to the evolving needs of businesses of all sizes. The session also invites feedback from users, allowing for a deeper dive into how the app can be further optimized to meet the unique demands of local businesses. Questions can be submitted before or during the live session, either in text, audio, or video formats, emphasizing Lotus Chat's commitment to interactive and user-centered design. The future of work communication in Vietnam. With the growing demands for productivity tools that align with the local business culture and infrastructure, Lotus Chat for Work offers an exciting prospect for businesses to modernize their communication processes. The launch marks a significant step forward in Vietnam's digital transformation journey, with an app designed to meet the practical needs of businesses, while offering a streamlined, all-in-one platform for collaboration. Stay tuned for more updates and join us live on June 4, 2025, to explore how Lotus Chat for Work can redefine communication and operations in your workplace. We look forward to seeing you at the launch event.